and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me. I think I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me. I think I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
What's up, Bay Area?
What's up, it's Shawn Mendes.
Hey, it's Lizzo.
What's going on, guys? This is Post Malone.
99.7 now.
I'm vanilla, baby. But I ain't no baby. She's 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is I know whipsy. Yeah, you can't tie me down, but you can whip your loving on me. That's right, whip your loving on me. Young J-A-C-K-A-K-A, Rico like Suave, young Enrique, speaking at AKA. She's an alpha, but not around your boy. She be quiet around your boy. Hold on, don't know what you heard or what you thought about your boy, but they lied about your boy. Going dumb and it's something idiotic about your boy. She wearing cheetah print, that's how bad she won't be spotted around your boy.
I know whipsy. You can't tie me down, but you can whip your loving on me, baby. Whip your loving on me.
I'm vanilla, baby. But I ain't no baby. She's 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is I know whipsy. You can't tie me down, but you can whip your loving on me, baby. Whip your loving on me. Young MISSIONARY. He's sharp like barbed wire. She stole my heart, then she got archived. I keep it short with a or far quiet. All the girls in the front row. All the girls in the barricade. All the girls have been waiting all day. Let your tongue hang out, everything. If you came with a man, let go of his hand. Everybody in the suite kicking up their feet, stand up, dance. I see you. And all the guys in the back waiting on the next track. Cut your boy a little slack. It's Young Jack. I'm vanilla, baby. But I ain't no baby. She's 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is I ain't no whipsy. Yeah, you can't tie me down, but you can whip your loving on me. That's right, whip your loving on me.
I know whipsy. You can't tie me down, but you can whip your loving on me, baby. Whip your loving on me, baby.
Think your partner's cheating? Let Big Bay Mornings set the love trap.
Listen, let's see the friend and just move into a new apartment.
Why are you fucking her? Answer me, Brian. Why? No one does that for a coworker. Ask anyone. No one does.
All right, calm down, okay?
Don't tell me to calm down.
New love trap tomorrow morning.
Wake up.
On Big Bay Mornings.
If you're a diehard NBA fan like me, I know you want to meet an NBA superstar. And guess what? As the official 5G wireless network of the NBA, AT&T is giving you the chance to meet Naismith Hall of Famer Chris Mullin. You heard that right. 5-time NBA All-Star Chris Mullin himself. So come to the AT&T store at 1206 El Camino Real in San Bruno on Friday, January 19th from 4 to 6 p.m. And while you're there, learn how to win tickets to an upcoming NBA game, a Google Pixel 8 Pro, and more, all courtesy of AT&T. Don't forget to vote for your favorite NBA All-Star. Your votes count 3 times on Friday, January 19th. So how about you get your own Google Pixel 8 Pro and vote on it? Google Pixel 8 Pro brings you the most powerful personal Pixel yet, thanks to Google AI and the best Pixel camera. While you're there, ask how to get the Google Google Pixel 8 Pro for free with eligible trade-in. Don't miss this exciting opportunity to meet Chris Mullen. Come to the AT&T store, 1206 El Camino Real in San Bruno on Friday, January 19th from 4 to 6 p.m. I know I'll be there.
Limited time offer. Terms and restrictions apply. See AT&T.com or visit an AT&T store for details. Player appearance and time subject to change. 5G requires compatible plan. Coverage not available everywhere. Learn more at AT&T.com/5G for you.
Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is a serious heart condition. Some symptoms include being short of breath, feeling tired, or having dizziness or chest pain. My HCM impacted how I felt and what I could do. So I asked my cardiologist about treatment advances that gave me new options. That conversation was big for me. That's why I'm working with Bristol Myers Squibb to raise awareness about HCM and to help others like me. Talk to your cardiologist today and visit hcmrealtalk.com to learn more.
Sponsored by Bristol Myers Squibb.
Killers of the Flower Moon is now streaming on Apple TV+. See the masterpiece critics are hailing as the best film of the year from director Martin Scorsese, starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Robert De Niro. Rated R. Now streaming on Apple TV+. Subscribe to watch on any device with the Apple TV app.
Get ready for game day and every day with amazing savings at Rayleigh's and Nob Hill. This week, large packs of 3 pounds or more Rayleigh's 93% lean fresh ground beef are only $3.97 a pound. And our Something Extra members get an exclusive digital offer on fresh and nutritious red seedless grapes. They're just $1.77 a pound, limit 2 bags when you click your digital offer at Rayleigh's.com or on the Rayleigh's app. Savings you can count on in-store, online, or on the app. Only at Rayleigh's and Nob Hill.
A great way to get a fresh start in 2024 is by calling the folks at California Closets. St. John here at 99.7, so it all started off with a visit to CaliforniaClosets.com. Scheduled an appointment, and my personal design consultant, Barry, she and I had some fun transforming my bedroom storage disaster into an absolutely gorgeous closet space. I love it. It's got easy adjustable shelves, doubled by hanging storage. No more fighting in the morning with my closets to put together an outfit. Elevate your storage space as well. Schedule your free design consultation today. CaliforniaClosets.com.
That was another way I would smoke once an hour. That didn't work either. All that would happen at some point of the day, I would end up doubling up. Other ways that I tried to quit was I stopped buying cigarettes totally. But if I took 3 puffs off of 15 friends, those didn't count because they weren't my cigarettes and they weren't full cigarettes. You know, I went through a lot.
Every attempt is part of your story to quit for good. Visit Kick It California today at kickitca.org.
Nothing slows my little girl down, except a stuffy nose. That's why I use Sinex Children's Saline from Vicks. Sinex instantly clears mucus in everyday stuffy little noses with a gentle, ultra-fine mist designed for kids. Just Sinex? Breathe. The stuffy nose is gone for now. And so is she.
Sinex Children's Saline. Sinex, breathe. Use as directed, keep out of reach of children.
Alameda Alliance for Health is your local partner in health, and we're here to remind you to take action to keep your Medi-Cal coverage. Make sure you get your Medi-Cal renewal form by checking or updating your address. For information on how to check your address or for help completing the renewal form, go to our website at www.alamedaalliance.org. Alameda Alliance for Health is your local partner in health. We are still in this together, and we are here for you. Sponsored by the Alameda Alliance for Health and aired by the California Broadcasters.
99.7 now, number 1 for all the hits.
Yeah, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel, she beautiful. To the pedal, it'll take all of me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel, she beautiful. To the pedal, it'll take all of me to settle. Yeah, said my happiness is all of your misery. I put good all in my kidney. This raw gel don't come with no jealousy. My illness don't come with no remedy. I am so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no without penalty. Domino, if you suffer me, I'm going to glow up one more time. Trust me, I have magical foresight. You gon' see me sleeping in courtside. You gon' see me eating 10 more times. Ugh, you can't take this one nowhere. Ugh, I look better with no hair. Ugh, ain't no sign I can't smoke here. Yeah, give me the chance and I'll go there. I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel, she beautiful. To the pedal, it'll take a whole lot for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel, she beautiful. To the pedal, it'll take a whole lot for me to settle. Yeah, said God make money, now you try it. You could use a revamp with a new vibe, sis. I don't need a big feature or a new sidekick. I don't need a new fan, cause my boo like it. I don't need to wear a wig to make you like it. I'm a two-time, you ain't know I'd win. Throw a shot like you tryna have a foot fight then. All my ops waiting for me to be you, I bet. Said I got drive, I don't need a car. Money really all that we fiending for. I'm doing things they ain't seen before. Bands ain't dumb, but extreme is all. I'm a demon lord, fall off what? I ain't seen the horse. Called your bluff, better cite the source. Fame ain't something that I need no more. Good trick. I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel, she beautiful. To the pedal, it'll take a whole lot for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little, she a rebel, she beautiful. To the pedal, it'll take a whole lot for me to settle.
99.7 now, #1 for all the hits and Big Bay Mornings.
You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Put a little gold in the teeth and the fit good, so I took the doors up the deep, okay. I see a brother holding your seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get to know you. At least don't take my talking to your run. I can keep it chill like a Soviet blunt. I'ma keep it real when your man long gone. If you're looking for a friend and you got the wrong song, baby girl, what's good? What's with ya? If you book tonight, that's fiction. I'm outside, no pictures. You want me? Go figure. To the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. Hey, to the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Hey, girl, you got me. I'm singing. It's like, oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, that's alright. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know.
I hope that's romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely, oh, I wish I find a lover that could hold me.
FM KMVQ HD1.
San Francisco.
Oakland.
San Jose.
Home of Big Bay Mornings.
Let's go.
And number one for all the hits.
99.7 now. Except no imitations.